If you are nervous about doing your driving assessment, this video is for you. Every single candidate who did this outperformed their last test. They may not have passed the next attempt. Most of them did, by the way, but they at least outperformed their last attempt by far. Majority of people who feel anxious about anything that they're doing, they feel anxious because they care. You care about the result, especially if your first or second one was not successful. So that's very normal. So don't blame yourself for it. This advice is suitable for people who are ready to take their driving assessment, not those who are unprepared or underprepared. Every time when you drive into the car park of the licensing center where you are going to do your driving test, imagine that your test is happening literally that day within the next half an hour or so. The reason I'm so sure that this will help you, because I've worked with many thousands of people and probably many hundreds of them who were extremely anxious about driving tests. When you drive into the licensing center car park, always imagine, I'm going to do my test within the next 15-20 minutes. Visualize, do it as many times as possible, and I guarantee you that you are going to become less sensitive to related anxiety. I've seen hundreds of people who were extremely anxious, and this technique helped them tremendously. So in conclusion, if you are well prepared and the nerves and your anxiety plays a big part in, whether you are going to pass or fail your driving test, take lessons at least a few days before the actual driving assessment. Drive into the car park and imagine that you are doing your test in the next few minutes. You can even park and step out of the car and walk inside of the licensing center, walk where the people are, lined up to be called for their driving assessment. You'll be less sensitive to driving test anxiety. I truly hope that this video will help you overcome your anxiety when you do your next driving assessment. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly where the blind spot is, how you can improve your situational awareness, and how you will always make sure that you don't miss a car in your blind spot. Here's a practical example. Now, I don't see anyone in my rear view mirror and I can't see anyone in my side mirror either, but there is a car in my blind spot. So if I didn't check it, I would potentially collide with that car.